Guys, what's up? Welcome to Boombox World. Today I am going to splashmania. Let's go! Let me tell you about the park. This park is about 18 acres of fun. There are 39 attractions in splashmania, including 24 water slides. It is the first rainforest themed water park in Asia. The entrance price of the water park is Rm99 for adults, which must be 120 cm and above, and Rm79 Indians for children, which must be 120 cm and below. Opening time is 10 am to 6 pm. One of the best water parks I went to. This is the souvenir shop. Welcome to the park. We are going to the Atlantis VR. That is the Atlantis VR. You have to wear VR goggles in this ride. Time. Now we are going in the river. This is the pirate ship. So high. This is called cotton candy. Now we are going to ride a buggy to our car.